Everybody, hi. Hiccups are a common and usually harmless condition that everyone experiences at some points. They occur when the diaphragm, the muscle at the base of the lungs, suddenly and involuntarily contracts, resulting in a hiccup sound from the quick close of the vocal cords. While hiccups often resolve on their own within a few minutes, persistent or frequent episodes can be annoying and disruptive. Common causes: eating too much or too quickly, carbonated drinks, and being stressed or emotionally excited. Here are some practical tips and remedies to help you get rid of hiccups. Hold your breath. Holding one's breath is the best known way of getting rid of the hiccups. Just inhale a large gulp of air and hold it for about 10 to 20 seconds, then breathe out slowly. Repeat as necessary. Slow and measured breathing for a couple of minutes can also do the trick. Drink water. Drink a glass of cold water quickly can interrupt the hiccup cycle by stimulating the vagus nerve, which communicates between the brain and the stomach. Some people find that sipping water slowly and steadily work better, while others have success drinking from the far side of the glass, which requires leaning forward and tilting the head downward. Eat something sweet. Swallowing a teaspoon of sugar can stimulate the vagus nerve and make the body forget to hiccup. The graininess of sugar is believed to slightly irritate the esophagus, causing the phrenic nerves to reset themselves. Pull on your tongue. Pulling on your tongue stimulates the nerves and muscle in your throat. Grab your tip of your tongue with your fingers and tug gently outward. This can also reset your diaphragm. Breathe into a paper bag. Breathing into a paper bag increases the carbon dioxide level in the blood, which might calm the diaphragm and stop the hiccups. Be cautious with this method. Use it only for a short time to avoid depriving your brain of oxygen. Drink from the opposite side of the glass. This method requires you to bend down to drink water from the far side of glass. It's thought that the combination of the awkward body position and swallowing water help reset the nerves that trigger hiccups. Practice acupressure. Gently pressing on specific points on the body, such as the palm of the hand or the philtrum, the area between the nose and the upper lip, can soothe the nerves and alleviate hiccups. If hiccups persist for hours, either continuously or sporadically, seek medical attention. Hiccups are normally harmless and last for a few seconds or minutes. Thanks for likes and sharing.